Sir. Right now, they are moving all of their equipment over to the inauguration area.
I don't see anything moving.
They're in the process of moving all of their equipment over there for now.
He's over there. He's over there. And when he comes through the gate,
you to stay away from the.
I will stay away when they come in and out. I'm not going to touch anything. I am not going to touch anything. Your assistant chief has already approved me being here yesterday or day before. Yeah, yesterday.
All right, here we go, guys. This video comes to you from Ron Benghazi Headland. This channel right here has become one of my favorite channels recently. Kind of reminds me of Mr. Porter, another one of my favorite channels. I love the kind of work they do, guys. I think these guys do some fantastic work and I could learn from them. I would actually maybe one day fly out and meet these guys and record with them and just stand and watch them do what they do. It's like magic in my eyes. All right, guys, so this video came out a little while back, but I ended up having to go to Arizona to fight a case. I lost that case. Some of that reason is because they're tyrannical over there, and the judge and the district attorney and the cops, I believe they're all in cahoots with each other. Half of that reason is because I didn't know procedure and I didn't understand law. I made a bunch of mistakes in there, folks, and that's okay. It reminds me of my first audit. That won't happen to me again. In this video, Ron Benghazi Headland gets arrested. If he has any donation links on his channel, hook him up, guys. He's definitely gonna need our support to fight that charge. Seems like police don't like being held accountable. It seems like public officials thought that once they got that job, they owned the buildings that they work in, but they don't, folks. Those buildings belong to you. And the government, these servants, they work for you. You are the taxpayer. You are the boss. They are not. They only think they're the boss. And although they might try to throw all kinds of legal jargon at you and all that, we need to truly learn the language of the courtroom, folks. I'm going to better my channel, and I'm also going to start highlighting channels that go in and document their own court procedures. I recently learned from DirectD that you can record audio in your hearings, folks. The judge tried to tell me to turn it off. I told him no. I recently posted those videos. Make sure you guys go check them out. Know and understand that it is your constitutional right to audio record your trial and your hearings. Don't let the judges tell you otherwise. All right, guys, now back to Ron's channel. This is a crazy video. Like I said, folks, he gets arrested at the end. Let's have a look.
As against error, could have been terror. They are the natural enemies of terror and of terror only. Thomas Jefferson. Could you keep your distance away from me, sir?
Absolutely, sure. How are you?
Why did you walk up to me like that?
Just wanted to see.
Why did you get up in my face like that? Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Sure can. Mark Sykes, badge number 2, Assistant Chief of Police.
Thank you.
Good to meet you.
Yep, good to meet you.
Thank you.
I wish you'd have been more respectful of my social distance there, though.
No, understood. Understood.
No, I don't think you do understand. No.
Hope you have a good day.
I'm going to have a wonderful day. And I hope you don't have to be my nanny all day today.
I'm heading back. I got some stuff to do.
Well, thank you very much.
Have a good one.
Go use the taxpayer's dollar wisely. This guy's going to run away. Normally I'm much more polite than I was there, but the guy walked right up behind me, got right up on my back.
The next day, early the next morning.
There's nothing wrong with you being outside of the square.
That's right.
I just don't want you to impede these people.
I will not impede anybody. I will not impede anybody. You have my assurance.
All right.
My head's on a swivel. I'll keep looking behind me, just like your assistant chief walked up behind me yesterday, very rudely, unprofessional. I will make sure I do not impede anybody.
He just wanted to know if you were doing all right. No, that's fine. Just keep in mind this guy's walking around. I need you to have someone over here watching your equipment.
He don't need to watch me. I'm not going to touch his equipment.
He's just watching his equipment.
He doesn't even need to watch his equipment because nobody's going to do anything. I'm watching his equipment for him so nobody comes over and bothers with it.
That's not your responsibility, sir.
No, it's not, and it's not your responsibility. And it's not your responsibility to order me around unlawfully.
I'm not ordering you around.
You told
at
me
all.
to stay away from here.
Because
that was an
they're
order.
moving their equipment over to
That was an
for the
unlawful order.
inauguration.
We'll take an inventory of the equipment here so that nothing comes up missing and they accuse me of taking it or vandalizing it.
Grabbing this stuff over here.
If I'm in your way at all, you just let me know, sir. Give them a gun and a badge and they think they rule the world. They're a bunch of thugs. You guys are good. I'm not going to do anything to impede you guys. You got a job to do.
A few moments later.
Sorry, you just asked me to leave the property?
Correct. I'm with the
And-
Department of General Services.
You said I needed a permit?
Yes. If you go to our website, you'll see that this is a permitted area and you're required to have a permit.
I have a permit. Yep, I do
Can
have.
I see your permit? We
No,
issue those. Okay.
No, I don't know who you are. What's your name? You said you were the Department of
I'm
General
with the Department
Services,
of
but
General
what is your
Services.
position and your name with them?
Sir, you need to leave the premises.
What is your
You need to-
position and your name with the Department of General Services? How do I know that you have any authority to order me off the property?
Sir, if you have a permit, as you've indicated, if you could please show me that permit, you may remain.
I'm not showing you anything until you tell me what authority you have to order me off the property.
Sir, I've asked you to leave. I will get the Capitol Police. and-
They've already been out here all morning with me.
And you've not been. Have they requested?
No,
you?
they have not requested I leave.
Thank you, sir. I'll be back.
Okay. So now this no-name person's telling me I need a permit to be here. Nobody needs a permit. There is no gate, no fencing. This is all open to the public. This is a public thoroughfare. What is closed is inside the Capitol Square. So we'll see what happens.
2 very boring minutes later.
All right, sir. So, as of right now, unless you have a permit to be here, you can't be here, okay? So, at this time, I'm asking you to leave. If you don't, I'll have to charge you with trespassing, okay?
Where's there any signs that say I'm not allowed to be here?
Policy created for the state government buildings in this area.
I will tell you that I've already been told by Capitol Police I'm not allowed to go inside the gate and the fence area there, that the Capitol Square is closed off. Any roads and additional spaces that are closed off are signed, and there's no signage here. People are walking in and out. It's a public access area. You can go up through there. There's tons of people coming up and through here, and that is a public street.
So, again, unless you have a permit to display this sign right outside of a state building,
So that's the issue. It's the sign. It's not my presence. It's the sign's presence.
yes,
It's protected political speech. I have a permit under the Constitution of the United States of America, and
you have to get a permit through DGS for the state government
no,
to have it displayed here.
no, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
I
do.
cannot go inside that building with there, but this is a public forum right here. See that memorial right there? They've established that the Commonwealth Public Safety Memorial, I'm going to go over here and take video of it. This is for the public. The Commonwealth Public Safety Memorial. This is an established public forum, and I challenge you to violate my civil rights. There is no temporary signage restricting this forum. It is a public forum. I will not go inside the building. But I know why you're upset, because this is the governor's office and they don't want the governor to see my sign between the governor's mansion and the governor's office. But this is a public forum established by the Commonwealth of Virginia. That is a public memorial open to the public. All I ask is that when you arrest me, do not cut my phone off. That would be another violation of my civil rights.
Several. Sir, the only thing I'm asking you to do is to move away from this entrance of the building to Governor Street or Bank Street on a public sidewalk.
I'm going to stand right next to the public memorial. This is the public memorial. I will not move from here. Redress my grievances against this asshole governor, and they want to make me leave. But it was fine for me to be here all morning.
It was never fine.
You were fine with it.
No.
Now you came out and said I need a permit. You didn't say anything about a permit till somebody got in your face and said, go get him out of here.
No, because you do need a permit to be
No,
out.
you don't. Then why didn't you tell me that this morning? Because you're so dumb you didn't even remember what was required and what's not required. Do you have a permit to be here, sir? You're not allowed to be here unless you have a permit.
Well, he's still here. And
Where's your permit?
informed them already,
All right, Mr. Headland.
Yes, sir.
I've got a big copy of the regulations of Capitol Square for you.
Okay.
And I can send you a link too for the permitting process, but you can't be right here.
Okay. Okay.
So what we're going to ask you to do is I'm going to give you one chance to leave.
Okay.
If you refuse, you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
Okay. So I am leaving under duress, under the threat of trespass of the violation of my civil rights to leave this public forum, which is established
It's not
right
public
here.
forum.
It is a
It's
public
Capitol
forum.
Square.
It is a public
This is your
forum.
opportunity to
I am going to
right
leave. I am going to leave under the threat of arrest.
now. Okay.
Violation. And go ahead and give me your name and badge number, sir.
First Sergeant Mulheim.
Badge number, sir.
It doesn't really matter, but Unit 10.
Unit 10. And you, sir?
Off the right, 249.
Okay. And this is Capitol Police. Thank you very much. Now, where am I permitted to be?
On the other side of Broad Street.
Okay. What about that public
On the-
road right there?
Nope. On the other side of 14th Street.
Uh-huh.
On the other side of Main Street. And on areas on 9th Street that aren't in front of any of the state-owned properties.
That's not what's reported publicly. I've already been in areas with Capitol Police allowing me to be. In fact, your assistant chief allowed me to be here Wednesday.
Okay.
What was he mistaken about?
Well, we've got DGS regulations, which I told you I would forward to you if you'd like.
What was your What was your
DGS
assistant chief mistaken
so
about?
You can leave now. I was trying to provide you the information.
Well,
but
if I leave,
just
you and
wanna
I can't
argue.
have this conversation.
Well,
I'm
you can free to
asking
leave right
for.
now. I was trying to help you out with the information, but you just want to argue. So,
Are you on
can
drugs,
go
sir?
ahead.
Why are you shaking?
It's cold out here, sir.
Why are
can
you
leave
shaking?
now, sir.
I'm
You
leaving.
You can leave now.
Under the threat of arrest.
Okay,
You
let's
are
go.
going to arrest me, right? If I stay,
Yes.
you are going to arrest
Yes.
me. Okay. Yep. So what was your assistant chief mistaken about?
I don't know what your conversation was with our assistant chief, but I'm asking you to leave.
He entertained me over there right next to that memorial, and he was fine with me being there.
Okay, sir. Well, right now I'm asking
He's on
you to
YouTube, and it was fine to be there Wednesday, but
Okay.
today is not, huh? Only under the threat of arrest. Now, let me ask you, if I am arrested,
I'm not having any more conversation. You're either leaving or getting arrested.
if I am arrested, where will I be taken?
To the Richmond Justice Center.
Okay? And then they will drop the charges after I'm booked in there, and they'll just let it go, and then you'll have me off the property for a few hours. So for that reason, I'll go ahead and just leave out of here, because I'll be taken out of here if I don't leave on my own accord.
Might want to start watching where you're going so you don't trip over things.
You're not responsible for my public safety, my personal
I'm
safety.
just trying to help you out so you don't fall and crack your head.
So where are the signs that say you can't be here? Where are they?
DGS.virginia.gov has
No, where are the
regulations.
signs that say the
Sir, I'm
public is not
arguing
allowed
with
in
you.
here?
You're either leaving or getting arrested.
Where
Keep
are
on
the
going.
signs? There are no
Keep on-
signs.
Keep on going.
And how far? Right past this gate here?
Nope. All the way across Broad Street.
No, sir.
Yep.
Arrest me.
Okay.
Take me.
This is one of those videos that just absolutely makes you angry, folks. Public officials have taken it to a new low. They are walking around feeling entitled. You can't do this. You can't do that. Stand right there in the circle. Put this on your face. Take a number. Call back and make an appointment. What happened to all you brave men and women out there? If you guys are proud of Ron Benghazi Headland for taking that arrest, for standing up to tyranny, for making sure that his public servants know that you have rights, go subscribe to his channel. Let's show those public servants that Ron is not alone. We the people have his back. If you're new to First Amendment audit videos, prepare yourself. There's going to be some videos that you're not going to like, but there's going to be tons of videos that you're going to appreciate. You're going to learn the First Amendment, how important it is, and how to use it. Remember that if you don't know your rights, you basically don't have any. A lot of times police officers will ask you to do things, and they do it in the form of a question. In reality, they're threatening to arrest you if you don't comply. And if you don't record your interactions, it's always the officer's word against yours. And guess what happens in court, folks? Do I even need to say it? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go subscribe Ron Benghazi Headland. Let him know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have a good one.